Alright, what's up y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and we are back with another rub review, and I'm actually going to cook with the rub that I'm reviewing right now so I can check it out instead of trying it and then coming back and telling y'all. I'm going to be bouncing back and forth from both formats. You know, some I already tried and I got a lot of cooks, and I'll put the little things up at the top so you can check out those cooks with those particular rubs. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this McCormick Sesame Ginger Crunch with garlic, all right, and then I'm going to be pairing it with McCormick's Sunshine by Tabitha Brown. And I seen this, it was real popular on Amazon. Both of these were very popular on Amazon, and the quantity was going low, so I'm like, hey, it was like 4 left, might as well get it. And of course, familiar with my channel, you know my blank canvas, some good old thighs. Alright, so we got this bad boy ready. Let's just go ahead and drop these on here. We got that char-griller Legacy running with this Kingsford original, and we layering up these thighs on here just like that down. Just like that down. Alright, so I'm gonna close this. This is gonna be a quick cook. I'm gonna close this, put this pan up, and I'm gonna be back out here babysitting. Back in a minute. Look, alright. I mean, I got a few to work with. I'm just doing some different intros. I do.
Yeah, waist.
Need a waist trainer and shit? Right. Hell yeah. Sitting up in there like, looking like I'm in here fighting for position. So we're about done here. Went ahead and closed up the dampers and just had this sit up here in this easy bake oven and nice little grill session. I will say those seasonings do not have a ton of salt in them, so I'm gonna be salting this as after I get it in there. But it smells great, great color, nice fun little cook. I mean, I don't see how that's gonna be nasty. There you go. We got this nice and cooled off, you know, nice little different approach to the rub review. This time we checking it after we put it in action. Went ahead and did a base coat of this McCormick's Sunshine by Tabitha Brown, and then did a top layer coat of the McCormick's Sesame plus Ginger Crunch with garlic. Yeah. We got a lot of stuff in it. Almost look like everything bagel seasoning. Okay. Oh, it's juicy. Let me. Yeah. All right, so this is juicy. It's good. Nice little smell on there. You know, you get the smoke, you get the charcoal. I didn't add any flavor to the charcoal because I'm just in it for the season. This is my rub review, right? I think this would be better with seafood, or if you let it sit overnight, I just let it sit a couple hours on some thighs. This is good. Got a nice little heat to it. It's a all-purpose seasoning, as you can see. Has garlic, ginger, pineapple, mango, and then I looked in the back. It had maple syrup powder and mango powder, along with banana powder. So that is very interesting. But I can see this being eaten on some fruits. Use like tahini. This would probably be real good on tahini or a cold pasta salad, something like that. Something you want to bring, if you want to bring some flavor without a lot of sodium. Right here, I'm not saying that the lack of salt in it is a bad thing, but you might want to add some salt if you're going to use this as your primary seasoning or rub. I recommend with a little salt with it. I said I was going to sprinkle with salt. I actually sprinkled a little MSG when it was done as the chicken was cooling. Like I said, this right here, it almost looked like an everything bagel seasoning, but it is not bad. This is actually pretty good. It has a nice smell to it, but I think it'll probably work better with seafood and probably in the oven, because I think putting it on such a high heat, direct heat, it may knock out what you're looking for on the sesame ginger. You get the garlic and all that, but being that it has black and white sesame seeds in it, they do kind of burn up and pop off when you're grilling it up. So I'm not talking bad. These are good. I will be giving another run with them, but I'll probably be indoors using them in the oven. And hey, try these out, man. You know what I mean? McCormick is doing things. And see, they hooking up with people. So McCormick, holla at your boy. Check out your boy's channel. All right. Y'all be cool out there. Be safe. Be smart. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me. I'm back on Instagram. It is Not All Smoke 78. That's your boy. And follow me on there and keep up what your boy's doing. Once again, this is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan with another rub review.